Hi everyone, welcome on our today lecture. How are you all? Hope all good. Okay, so let's understand what we are going to learn in today lecture. So as we can see here that we are going to learn shortcuts key for navigate our data. Okay, and there are some shortcut key has given which is display in front of us. Okay, so how does it work and what is the advantage of it? We will understand by the example. Before that, let's read off this simple shortcut key. Control plus arrow keys. How does it work? We learn control plus shift plus arrow keys, control plus A, control plus page up, page down. Last but not the least, control plus F. Okay, so let's understand by the examples. So let me open the file that will be dealing out through this lecture. Okay, here we go. Suppose we have a huge data here. Okay, and we want that what is bottom of this data, right? And we want to collect some information from bottom of this data. ठीक है, तो एक तो हमारे पास जो ऑप्शन है, एक दो जो स्लोली स्लोली जैसे हमें बॉटम में जाना है तो एंटर 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 एंटर, देन वी विल reach at the bottom of this data, right? Similarly, if second option that we can scroll down from here, then we can reach out bottom of this data, right? Similarly, if we want to go right inside of this cell of this data, then similarly we can use we right arrow keys and go here, right? So don't you think that isn't it consuming lot of time? It is, right? सो इसी की वजह से सो दैट हमारा टाइम ज़्यादा वेस्ट ना हो, सो शॉर्टकट्स की हमारी हेल्प करता है ताकि वी कैन मैनेज आर टाइम. ऑलराइट, so let's understand how shortcut key work here. Okay, let's learn control plus down arrow keys, control plus up arrow keys, control plus left arrow keys, and control plus right arrow keys. Okay, suppose we are here and we want to see that uh, uh, how many we have data, and we want to see bottom of this data. Okay, सिंपल, कुछ नहीं करना है, जस्ट प्रेस कंट्रोल प्लस डाउन एरो की. हियर वी गो, we have total 847 data here. Okay, similarly, if we want go back on top of this data, similarly control plus up arrow key, right? And we want to go right of this data cell, then similarly control right arrow key, control plus arrow key. And if we are here and we want to go back, then control plus left arrow key, right? कितना सिंपल है ये, राइट? बट इफ वी वांट कि हमें बॉटम में तो जाना है, बट एट द सेम टाइम वी वांट टू select our column also, then how it work and what we need to do for this, राइट? सिंपल, इसमें भी कुछ नहीं करना है, जस्ट हमें सेकेंड जो हमारी शॉर्टकट की है उसे अप्लाई करना है, कंट्रोल प्लस शिफ्ट प्लस डाउन एरो की. हियर वी गो, हम बॉटम में आ गए, राइट? एट द सेम टाइम हमारी जो कॉलम है वो भी सेलेक्ट है. Similarly, if we want to go back and we want to select our column at the same time, similarly control plus shift plus up arrow key. Here we go, right? Similarly, if we want to go right of this data, okay, simple click here, control plus shift right arrow key, right? Again, if we are here and we want to go back and with select our row also, similarly control plus shift left arrow key. Got it? Okay, thank you. Then suppose we have multiple seats uh, in this workbook, okay, like seat 4, seat 5, seat 6, okay, and we have some details here, okay, but we are here and we want to go right of existing data cell, okay. तो कैसे हम नेक्स्ट हमारी वर्कशीट पे हम जाएंगे? एक तो सिंपल है कि हम यहाँ से चले जाएं, ठीक है, विद द हेल्प ऑफ माउस, विद द हेल्प ऑफ कीज, ओके, but simple if we click control plus page down key. Here we go. Control plus page down key, control plus page down key. Isn't it simple? It is, right? Similarly, if we want to go back our origin data, similarly control plus page up key, control plus page up key, control plus page up key, right? We we reached in our origin data. Got it? All right. Then we have suppose we want to select our entire data. एक तो हम यहाँ से भी कर सकते हैं, सिंपल यहाँ पे हमने सेलेक्ट किया, देन शिफ्ट देन डाउन की, राइट, बट ये हमें बॉटम में ले जाएगा, isn't it? It is, right? Then what we need to do for this, we can, if we want to select entire data, then simple press control plus a, we have selected our data, okay. डजेंट मीन कि हम कहीं पे भी हो डेटा के, यहाँ हो यहाँ हो यहाँ हो यहाँ हो, नो प्रॉब्लम, ओके, वी कैन सेलेक्ट बाय हेल्प ऑफ कंट्रोल प्लस ए. गॉट इट? अब यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा ट्विस्ट है, ठीक है. सपोज वी हैव समथिंग हियर ऑल्सो. सपोज हियर इज माई नेम, Putul, okay, Putul, and we want to select our entire data, and by click control plus a, it will work. Let's understand. Suppose we are here and press control plus a. Mhm. It won't work, right? क्यों? क्यों ये वर्क नहीं कर रहा है? क्योंकि we have empty cell here, empty column here, empty cell here, okay. uh, this cell is also empty, this cell is also empty, okay, and my name is written here, ठीक है. सपोज मेरा जो नेम है वो यहाँ होता, Putul, ओके, ठीक है. नाउ अंडरस्टैंड. हियर वी गो, ठीक है. सो कंक्लूजन इज दैट कि अगर हमारे पास कुछ एम्प्टी सीट है तो वो सिलेक्ट नहीं होगी, ठीक है. एम्प्टी सेल सिलेक्ट नहीं होगा, ठीक है. गॉट इट? ऑलराइट. नाउ we have last but not the least, uh, we can use control F also. And how does it work? कंट्रोल एफ जो होता है, सपोज वी हैव ह्यूज डेटा हियर, ओके, एंड वी वांट टू नो कि हमारे पास जो इस नेम के जो डेटा है वो कितने हैं, ठीक है. एक तो वी हैव ऑप्शन फॉर फिल्टर, ठीक है, सो वी विल लर्न लेटर, ओके. बट if we want to if we want to see by apply control F, then we can simply we want to see England. Okay, copy your information, whatever you want to search here. Click Control F, paste it here, find all. Here you go. We we got the answer, right? We have England name in this seat 1187, right? So that's it for today lecture, guys. See you soon in our next lecture. Meanwhile, keep learning, keep growing. Bye bye. Jai Hind.